Stampers, I'm back again, and this is the last box. I've just done one, but you'd have seen it on a different night. And this is the last one of the alternatives now, so I've got everything I need to the top, so I don't have to go rummaging. And this is the Petal Notes one. This one. Oh, it's a gold squiggle, isn't it? This one comes with sequins. So someone will win the cards and somebody else will win the kit with what bits are left over. There are 3 cards in this one saying thank you, congrats. We've got these, we've got these, I've got the leaves, I've got the envelopes. Again, no stamp set, but the envelopes are beautifully decorated. And they've all got yellow stripes, pink dots and blue triangles. So the blue triangles is going with this one. So let's crack on. I'm not looking at the kit because I don't want to be influenced by it. Let's fold our cards. And what's on? Blue on that one as well. And absolutely beautiful. So let's start with this first one. On the other one it literally just had that and said congratulations, your job's a good one. Let's see if we can viv this up in some way or shape or form. So I'm going to grab myself some dimensionals. And pop them on. I think the other one said thinking of you, but this is congratulations. Make sure that's nice and straight. It's a pretty card as it is, but let's do something else. Let's add one of these beautiful blue flowers. Don't want to lift. I don't want to put that down yet because I want to add a leaf. I just want to tuck it under there and maybe a large one. Just on this side. I know it's not much difference, but you know, I've got this gorgeous gold and slightly pink sequins. I'm going to pull the top off. I'm definitely going to dot one there and put that in the center of the flower. Anyone who knows me knows I don't really like holes in the sequins. So I've got some beautiful little pink pearls there. I'm going to pop that in the centre of the flower. Keep that pressed down. Oh, come on, Gain. Have any of you seen, ladies, see? I love kids films. I have always loved. Look at that, how cute that is. The new film Luca. Oh, it's so sweet. It's the sweetest thing. It's about mere boys, sea creatures, and it's so wonderful to watch. Look at that, just wants to stick to me. So maybe we can add one there. We can barely see that one. I love kids film, and if you haven't watched Soul yet, watch Soul. It's called. Oh, it is brilliant. Soul. So I've got 1, 2. Let me add one on here. That should show up a little bit better on there. Just gives that a chance. And what was the other one? I watched Wish Dragon last night. All kids films. Brilliant morals to these kids films. Get that a little place in the center. How cute is that? So I know it looks the same, but that is card number 1, and that's going with the pink dots. They're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I know I can't do much different with that. Like I say, I haven't got a stamp set, so I'm going to bung these all on dimensionals. I think I've got some larger ones somewhere. That's better. So let's pick card number 2. Ooh. Let's grab one of these gold discs. And we're going to have a small blue one. And that one's coming off. And a little pink one. So you are so limited to these. One. Try and lift that end up, and we're going to have a large blue one, and a large leaf, that is super cute, and a small leaf. And what I'm going to do is just going to snip that back end off the stem. Oh. Just make sure that doesn't come up. That is the way the card opens. I think they'll have a thank you on this one. And just across there, grab our sequins. Pokey tail. Getting glue all over the place. Gather those together, get a little cluster, I've forgotten where I've dotted next. Probably put my hand in it. There. Oh, it's a pink one. Don't want a pink one. Oh my goodness. They just stick to you like Velcro. It's pretty flat, that one. Yeah, so I did my nails myself. 3, 4, 5. And one there. And maybe a little gem just in the centre of the flower. There we go. That is card number 2. And that's going to go with the stripes. Oh, and I'm pulling this bloody sequin off. Better. Isn't that cute card? Oh. Bit of that leaf stuck to me as well. And now finally card number 3. Ah, right. Let's do one more of these. But before we do that, let's They're just peeling off. That's got it. Just get some glue under there. That's glued down. Let's have a bit of orange in there. Pinch the other one as well. A couple of leaves. Da, da, da. Leaves. That is beautiful. That's cute. They're very similar. Thinking I got something stuck to me. It's not bad for my first attempt. I'm just going to have this right along the bottom. I'm going to press until I know it's straight. That looks cool. Right, so I'm not going to use the sequins on this one. They're a bit fiddly. Get that back in the box. Oh, she says having sequins all over her desk. got some beautiful black gems in there that I had from the range. Let me just snip the top off. Sorry about the noise. Wow, I'm going to have that one is going to go in the centre. And then we've got some slightly smaller ones further down. And even smaller still. And let's have a black one. Ooh, I like the black ones better. Oh, they're too cute. Not lovely. I've got a hanger over there on my leaf, so I'm just going to tuck that round. Oh, do you know what? There's white ones. I'm going to dot a few black ones as well. Here, there, and everywhere. Maybe a silver one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 there. Perfect. Cute gem. I have got the black dots as well from Stampin' Up. Nice. Oh, I never thought could have put one of these paper lattices down as well. Yeah, we'll use them on a different card. But I've finally come to the end of my alternatives before we move on to our card making and doing some boxes and other different crafts. Pop my lid on there. I hope you've enjoyed watching anyway. I know they're pretty similar to the other ones, but when you're trying to do alternatives to cards that without a stamp set, you're limited a little bit. But there we go. I think they are the cutest. So you've got thinking of you, thank you, and beautiful congratulations with a few extra gems on top as well. So there are my 3 alternative cards that will go with the others. Someone will win the cards, someone will win the box. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Come back again. See you soon.